How many times in your life you have regretted not knowing something early enough? Oh no, I wish I knew it. But what would be different if you knew it? Well, most likely your decisions, your approach to the problem, and most importantly, the outcome of your work. There's a group of people who have this regret most of the time, oncologists. But for them, the difference is pretty huge. It's a difference between the patient's life or death. But why is it usually too late for them? Well, there are some unique proteins associated with different types of cancer. Once detected in blood, they're omen of trouble. However, in the earliest stages of disease, the concentration of these proteins is about 1 million times lower than the concentration of other proteins. This makes state-of-the-art technologies incapable to detect them over the sea of other proteins. This is like trying to find a needle in a haystack with bare hands. In order to bring early detection of cancer into reality, we should stop looking blindly for a needle. We should play a different game. We should look for Waldo. But you may ask, what is different now? Well, I should say almost everything. Waldo has some unique characteristics, his hat, his glasses, his shirt, which enable us to easily find him. Just like Waldo, each protein is one of its own kind, with unique electrical and chemical properties. In order to detect different proteins as indicators of different types of cancer, I designed devices that enable us to create a salt-depleted region within a high-salt media to enhance trapping efficiency. Then, by applying a highly tuned stimulating electrical signal to our device, we turn that region into a selective black hole to exclusively trap the proteins of interest for us, and then pre-concentrate them over the sensing areas, just based on their unique properties. By increasing the trapping efficiency 100 times over state-of-the-art technologies and bringing selectivity into play, we have achieved more than 200,000 times enhancement in the concentration of rare prostate-specific antigens. And we successfully detected them under conditions very similar to the early stages of the prostate cancer. We found our Waldo, and this is the harbinger of hope. And finally, what if I tell you all we need to draw a bright future for dealing with cancer is no harder than treating a common cold, is only 1 drop of sample and 10 seconds of your time. Thank you.